Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is going to be your daily reading, Capricorn. Let's see what's coming up. Faith, let go, check your emotions. Okay, guys. Okay, Capricorn, it's time for you to trust yourself, okay? Have belief in yourself. You will be able to achieve anything, guys, okay? That is the energy I'm getting here. And in order to do that, you have to express how you feel, okay, about the situation to your person, okay? You have to tell them clearly what is there in your heart, okay? And you can do that in a loving way instead of fighting and creating negative negative vibrations. You can speak to them openly, okay? Let go your fear, guys. There's no need to fear anything in life. Actually, everything happens for a reason, okay? So you just accept things as they are, see things in true light, okay? When you do that, you will understand the situation, why your person is acting this way, why you are acting this way, okay? This may be your energy, Capricorn, or your person's energy, okay? So you just need to understand the real situation, uh, see the real truth, okay, instead of seeing the perceived truth, and have belief in yourself, okay, to make the right choices. Once you know what you're doing is 100% right, okay, um, the action will actually help you to manifest what you want to, okay? So you just have to believe in yourself, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Believe in yourself and do what you want to do, okay? And you need to express yourself. So this is the time for you to express what you feel to your person, okay? So if you want to take your relationship to the next level, this is the time to do that, guys. Today is your day to let go of all your inhibitions and go ahead and propose, okay? So have faith in yourself, okay? Believe in yourself and do what you need to do, okay? This is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 more cards, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Harmony, wake up call, okay? Communion, okay, guys. Okay, Capricorn, with these cards, I see some kind of dramatic situation coming up, okay? And there is no need to deny the situation, okay? And run from it, hide from it. Instead of that, you can just face, okay? Accept the situation, whatever it is, take stock, okay? And you have to be open with open communication. That is the energy I was getting previously, guys. So it is the time for you to sit and talk with your person. You don't have to avoid the situation, okay? When you express yourself, uh, even the even your person will clearly understand you, okay? And it will bring you a harmonious result, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So you should go ahead and discuss with your person, Capricorn, today whatever you feel, you don't have to be inhibited, okay, about what they will feel about you. You need to express what you feel, okay, and you don't have to deny the situation or hide from it, okay. Instead of that, you can face the situation without fear, okay. Truthfully, whatever you feel, it's the day for you to express, guys. Once you do that, you're going to get the solution, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Capricorn. Let me pick out 3 more cards. This is your love message, guys. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. You look deep into my eyes, okay. You respect my decisions, okay. You treat me like your princess, okay. Your person feels this way, or you feel this way. They feel adored, okay. They feel loved with you, and they know you are the right person to make the correct decisions, okay. So today you can share your thoughts with your person, guys. This is the right time for you to face your issues, talk to them openly, okay, and have belief in yourself to do the right thing, okay. When you talk openly, when you communicate your feelings, it is you'll be surely able to find an answer, guys, to all your issues, whatever needs to be addressed, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Capricorn. Express your true emotions today, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. So about the slogan, you can think about the slogan for a minute every day, okay, and be quiet for a few minutes and meditate if you want to, or you can just think of it as an intention for the day, okay. The slogan is be as you are. Be as you are, okay. It just means you have to be truthful to yourself, guys. It just means you have to be truthful in your words, okay. Whatever you think and feel, you should be able to bring out in your actions and words. That is the meaning. So thanks for watching, Capricorn. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.